Okay, so this is another quick video. This is with regards to us having to learn. As I always say, you got to learn before you earn. And you can see we are on a trade right now. This is a demo account that we're using to practice our trading. You can see it has a red icon there that says demo. So basically what you can do is you don't have to risk your own capital. You don't have to risk real money to learn. You can learn with virtual money. That's what we're doing here. Alright, so we've opened a trade. It's a long on BTC. I'll just take you to the trade, but I just want you to realize that you do not need to have real money to learn trading. You can learn with basically virtual money. This is a demo account. These are what is called as a demo accounts that trading firms offer you, where you can learn trading without having to risk any amount of money. You can see the money is flying up there. If this was a real account right now, if that was real money, that's the actual money that you can make on a daily basis. So I'll just take you to the trade. This is a BTC long. You can see it's flying right now. We entered in at 54,000 and right now the price is 55,287, and our take profit, basically that's where we're going to end this trade, is approximately 57,000. That's where the main resistance is. I'll show you that in a second on my indicator, but I'll just take you to this trade. So this is how a trade looks when it's in a long position. We've entered at a zone where it was consolidating at a support zone, and that's around about the 54 mark. So as you can see, it was consolidating at that particular area. The price has been stopping over at the support zone. So that was a good entry point. And as I said, you've got to do a whole lot of learning. This is it may seem as easy money, but it is not. If you do not know what you're doing, you'll end up losing a whole lot of money. As I've shown you, we've lost up to almost $500,000 in a day, and after making that in a day's time, losing $500,000 is a lot of money, but that's part of the learning process. So some days you make money, some days you lose money. But as I said, we always try to show the trades, whether it's a losing trade or a winning trade, so that you understand that there are days where you're not going to make anything and you're going to lose a whole lot of money. But the best way is to first learn, practice with virtual money. That's how you can open a demo account. I'll put my links in the description as usual. Open an account with a trading firm and practice before you actually use your real money, and only trade with what you can afford to lose. So in this BTC trade that we opened the trade at, as you can see on top, the open price was 54,104, and from there the price has shot up in the past a few hours basically. So you ended up making a whole lot of money in just a few hours. You can see the date at which it's been open was 1:05 a.m. right on the 8th of September. That's just yesterday, and in just a few hours time, that's not even 12 hours, it's about 550, and it may go even higher. Who knows? Because as you can see, the price does spike up and down really badly. So if in case you are without a stop loss, where you have not set a stop loss, and this was real money, you would end up losing all your money, because it just goes back and forth. So this is called a high volatility token. As you know, BTC is highly volatile, and this is not for beginners actually, in terms of where you should be jumping in and out of trades so easily without knowing what's happening. So that's the reason why we're pushing you to learn before you earn, and opening a demo account and trading on a demo account is one of the best ways to do this. Alright, so in this trade, as I said, we opened this yesterday at 54,104, and our stop loss basically is at 54,300. So what if you notice that the stop loss is higher than the open price? The reason being is, since this trade is already in profit, what we've done is something called as a trailing stop loss, where we move our stop loss above the entry price. That SL that you see on the side is called the stop loss. So normally your stop loss is below the entry price when you open a long, because that ensures that if in case the price drops, like you can see here, the price has dropped down way below 53, it reached 52 just yesterday itself. So if in case the price does drop down in the event of something happening, or some news, or some just random volatility, you don't end up losing all the money in your account. So that's called a stop loss. It's basically stopping the loss of all your money in your account. Okay, so what we've done is, because the trade is into profit, we move this stop loss higher than the entry price. So that way, even if you get stopped out right now, even this reverses back again from this $535, it reverses back and the price drops down drastically, it's going to hit this 54,300 stop loss of mine, and I'm still going to end up in a profit, because from 54,100 to 54,300, all this gap here, all this amount of money between this gap is what I am going to earn, even though I get stopped out. And that's called a trailing stop loss, where you continue to move your stop loss higher. Now I'm not moving it higher because this is just a demo account. I'm just trying to demonstrate as to how you actually can move this up. But it's pretty simple. All you need to do is just go and change the price here. If I want to move this stop loss higher, I'll just do this for the sake of this video to show you how it moves upwards. Now I moved it from 54,300 to 54,400. So when I move this higher, if I go back into the order, you can see it moves up a little bit more higher. So that way you can claim a little bit more profit if in case you get stopped out of this trade. Basically, if the trade closes on you because the price drastically drops down. I'm not just going to move it back, because probably I still want to keep this order running. And imagine that this was a real trade that you win. That's a whole lot of money that you can have in your hand. So I'm just going to show you. See, as you can see right now, it was 530, 540 plus, but right now it's 495. So let's just say it was $500 or 540. Let's see how much that's worth in Philippines peso. That's almost 30,000. So imagine making a couple of trades like this in a day. If you think it's unrealistic, that's not unrealistic. That's totally possible. But you need to learn before you earn. That's why I said this is not going to happen by magic. It may seem like easy money. It is not. Because if you do not know what is happening, you are going to end up losing all of this money and all of the money in your account. See, as we are on the video, it has changed back to 500. So just now it's 490 and now it's 500. This is how you can make money so quickly. But at the same time, as I said, if in case you do not know what you're doing, you can end up losing all this money as quickly as well. As I told you, we lost almost $500,000 in a single day. And that's just something that happened basically because of bad risk management. And that was a live. I've already shared the screenshot. You can go back on my account and have a look at the screenshot. And that was on the real account. But this is a demo account. And as you can see, they ask you, do you switch to the real account? So I do have a real account as well. But this is a demo account just for the purpose of this video, to make you understand that you do not need to risk your real money while you're learning. You can learn by using the virtual amount. That is, you can basically open a demo account and practice with that. And you can always, there are other ways you can practice by copying the top traders as well. There's abilities to do that. So there's a whole lot of videos online where you can learn. I'll be sharing a whole lot of inputs. Alright, I'm not a professional trader, but we do have some understanding of trading because we've been into this from the last 3 years. And as you can see, we have managed to make money, and we do end up losing money as well, because the whole process of learning is a daily thing. You cannot just say you know everything, and it's still a learning process. And that's the reason why I keep saying keep learning, and that's the only way you can earn money. And this is possible. It is possible to make this amount of money in reality if this was a real account and I had to open this trade with real money. That was in my wallet today, and as you can see, it's just shooting up in front of you. And this is a realistic way of earning money. So go ahead and click the link in my description of this video, open a demo account, start learning, and that's how you're going to earn unimaginable amount of money. So I hope you like this video, and do give me a like and follow for more such interesting videos in future. And also do follow me. I'm on Binance as well. As I told you, I have about 11,000 followers there, and I hope to see you there as well, so that you can learn something from me and we can both earn together. Alright, thanks a lot, and I'll see you in my next video.